Hello, welcome back to Cat. Today, we have an incredible innovation straight from the labs that could change the future of space exploration and our fight against global warming. Let's dive right in. Researchers at the University of Surrey in England are experimenting with something truly groundbreaking: a green living paint. This isn't your average paint. It's a mixture of Trucoccidiopsis cubana, a blue-green algae that thrives in extreme arid conditions, with the ability to photosynthesize with minimal light and water. Professor Simon Krings, the brain behind this innovation, shared their journey of observing this living paint over a month. The results? The paint absorbed the surrounding carbon dioxide and, yes, emitted oxygen. Imagine the potential from helping astronauts breathe on Mars to battling Earth's increasing carbon dioxide level. This algae doesn't just survive, it thrives in the harshest environments, from pitch-black caves to the depths of the ocean. The team confirmed that this paint can steadily release oxygen for up to 30 days. And the best part? It's safe and easy to develop. While it's not ready for immediate space deployment, given the current oxygen output levels, this green living paint has garnered attention from NASA and the European Space Agency. Just 2.2 pounds could emit about 0.88 pounds of oxygen in 24 hours. Professor Klings emphasized that while we might not be painting Martian bases just yet, the potential of this innovation, especially when further developed, could lead to environments in space where oxygen tanks are a thing of the past. Back on Earth, this technology doesn't just stop at space exploration. It holds a promise for a greener planet, combating the increasing levels of carbon dioxide and contributing to a more sustainable future. Incredible, isn't it? The possibilities are as vast as the universe itself. If this paint pot of innovation excited you, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more stellar content.